start off by saying hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here today. It's a very special day for all of us, for Ritika and I. I want to just start off by saying that I'm so proud of my collaboration with Boddess. I have seen how Boddess has grown tremendously, and I feel so fortunate that I'm a part of this journey. So yeah, congratulations Ritika, this is all your hard work and all the brilliance that you've shown. And today we are here at the Ambience Gurugram at Boddess's flagship store. And this is just the beginning.
Let's hear it out for Bhumi. Could not have think of anybody else to endorse this brand who really stood for strong values like you did. So thank you for being here. It means a lot to all of us. Well, thank you so much, Bhumi, for joining us today. Thank you. You're looking gorgeous.
First of all, I would like to know your association with this brand. What do you have to say about it?
I'm extremely honored that I've collaborated with Boddess. Boddess celebrates the different aspects of being a woman. The brand has beautifully gotten beauty and technology, and if you go into the flagship store, you'll realize that you're going to get a very unique, specialized experience. You know, Boddess is a very empowering brand. It is a brand for everybody, and I feel so proud that it's something that's been started by somebody who's so dear to me, and it's doing so phenomenally well.
You get majority of role, kind of desi in what I can say. The brand special too, there is a constant effort that at least I chose brands that doesn't represent that.
No, I think the most exciting thing about being an actor is that I get to play parts that are very away from me, and the brands that I represent are brands that resonate with me the most. So I feel it's the perfect balance that I create.
Today you had your makeup at Boddess? Did you have your makeup?
There's a lot of Boddess things that I have on.
What have you applied?
What have I applied? You want me to give you a tutorial?
Everybody is impressed.
So Boddess is a multi-brand store. So I'm not going to get into the details of what brand what, but as you can see, I have applied my highlighter from MAC, I've applied an eyeliner, I've applied lashes, I've applied lipstick. There's everything. There's every part of me that's done up.
हिंदी में सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ।
जी, please.
बॉलीवुड के लिए एक अच्छी न्यूज़ आई क्योंकि जो लोग हैं अब थिएटर्स में जा रहे हैं कश्मीर फाइल्स की वजह से।
जी।
आपने वो मूवी देखी और क्या?
नहीं, मैंने अभी तक फिल्म नहीं देखी है। मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली शूट करती आ रही हूँ, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि फाइनली लोग थिएटर्स में जा रहे हैं। पिछले 2 महीने बहुत अच्छे रहे हमारे सिनेमास के लिए, सो थैंक गॉड। Anything else?
Yes, I think we're done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you. This is your mic, please.